You'll need to have Illustrator installed, of course, in order to start working in it. If you don't have it already, but you are a Creative Cloud subscriber, then it will take you not very long at all to get it. All you'll need to do is go to the Creative Cloud app, which on a Mac, as I am at the moment, is at the top. It's down at the bottom on Windows, of course. Go to the Creative Cloud app and then to the Apps tab. And then from there, you can actually find Illustrator and install it just with a click. And you'll see that it does that relatively quickly. Of course, it's determined entirely by the speed of your internet connection, but it will be with you in no time at all. If you don't have the Creative Cloud app and you're starting really from scratch, then you'll need to visit the Adobe website and download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app from there. And this is the single unified installer for all of your different Adobe products. You don't have to download loads of different things, just one thing, and then as you saw a moment ago, click install in there. So your journey begins by tapping download. It will then download the Creative Cloud app, which isn't very big at all. It's essentially a manager for you, and then you'll be good to go.